gosh. Okay, everybody's scrambling. Bro, oh, that's a buff. Hey, what do you got to deal with that? Okay. Oh, he's dead. What else is in here? Candy bar. Yum. Another candy bar. I'll just put that there. And, yeah. What the heck was that sound? Is that a plane? What happened here? What the? Okay, I don't want to die, or maybe, like, something that will instantly kill me. And do you drink the oil or radioactive juice? Goodness gracious, that's a lot of there's not really much else in here. I'm out. Okay, this is definitely worth stopping for because we did get some fuel and okay. Now, did you just drink? Oh my gosh, why did you stop drink? I like this drink. Also, Hayden has the same shirt as me. Cool. And no, I don't want the toxic waste. No, get rid of this. Okay, everybody, back to the chopper. Get to the chopper. How do I sit? Bottle caps I could have. There's free fuel canisters? Okay, where's the bottle caps at? Give me those. Okay, I gotta go deliver this fuel. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, and we're at a gas station, so there's extra pumps. We're gonna be overflowing with fuel. That guy's radioactive juice falling out of his hair. And, oh, some more fuel. Okay. Oh my, we got 2 gas pumps and 3 gas cans. We're gonna be rich in oil. Oh my gosh, this helicopter. Gosh darn it. What happens if I activate this dynamite here? Dynamite. Probably shouldn't have done that. Oh crap. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, that revealed bottle caps. They didn't even have bottle caps in this cash register, so people can rob them. Fly swatter, I don't think we need that. Make sure you don't get any radioactive stuff inside of any of our gas cans. We don't want to malfunction and crash down to the ground. What's back here? Some cardboard pallets. Nothing back there. Okay. Oh, is that guy bringing fly swatter? Guess so. Doop-a-doo. Bowling ball? I don't think we need that. What about this? Hark. Didn't he make a game feature when you throw a glass bottle, it breaks on impact when it like touches the ground. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this helicopter. It's magnificent. the guy who got left behind, but it should be fine. Ooh, banana. Yum, yum, yum. Oh! Yeah, run. Yeah, there's mutants. Get out your golden mini. Or should I say, normal. Yeah. Go for the window. Both of them are dead. Let's see. Pizza! Yum. What else is in here? Oh, bottle caps. And katana. I at least need one weapon in my backpack, so I'm just gonna take this. Now, I forgot how to work a backpack again, but it should be fine. Let's see here. So I put it there. No, put it here. Put it there. There we go. Now connect it in the backpack. There we go. We got a katana in the backpack. Every time we go over a speed bump, the katana's gonna shake and stab me in the back. Yeah. Dynamite. Throw that. Oh, crap. Please don't leave me behind. But I'm stuck in here. Oh, my gosh. What the heck was that noise? Hey. Wait for me. What the heck is happening? Oh, my goodness. What is happening to the helicopter? Whoa. Okay, get in. Parts are exploding everywhere. Drive. Get out here. Okay, let's see. It doesn't look like any more zombies. Ooh, dynamite. Aiden? You in here? Aiden? Oh, he's already back at the helicopter. Comment what I'm saying down below. I don't think you can really hear the helicopter. Yes. He accidentally left me, but now he's coming back. And I have your minigun. Yes. Oh, here you go. It's right there. Okay, right there. Perfect. Oh, look at all the gas cans we have in our back. Let's get back on the open road. Oh, yeah. Sorry for it's fine. Okay. Guys, we made it to a research facility, but he says don't go into the room with the check. This isn't the room with the check. It will kill you. Okay, you go get the minigun for that, but what about there? We just found this research facility, and what about in there? Hey, what about in there? What's in there? Let's go. Let's go in. Come on. I mean, there can't be anything trying to kill us. I'm sure there's like a secret engine we can get. Yeah, it kill you. No, it doesn't. I'm telling you. Come on. Let's just go. Come on. See, it's nothing to worry about. Come on. Let's do it. And what? Okay, man. This is a funny prank, but you can open up the door.